If you still conduct surveys using Word, Excel, PDF, or physical documents, here's a free way to help you conduct your survey easily online. Now, this method also will automatically helps you to compile all your results in real time. Here's how you can do that. Just go to Microsoft and search for Microsoft Forms. Yeah. Now, Microsoft Forms, you can use it for free, right? Just go to your office.com and then just find the forms right over here, and you will come in a page like this. Now, if you're a paid version, you can get more responses, but if free, you can get less responses. But I think the free version has already a lot. If you do not collect more than 1,000 responses, the free version is good for you. Okay, so now what we're going to do is that you want to create a survey using the form, right? So now there are a couple of all this. If you already have it in the Word version or PDF, you can click this import. You can see that you can just upload it from this device, right? So just upload it from here. Now today, the video, I'm going to show you how to create a new form right over here. Now you can also use new quizzes. This one, I will create another video for subsequent week. Okay. So remember to subscribe to this channel so that every week when we create new content, you'll be notified, right? So you want to create a survey, just click on this new form. Now, since I got this title form, let me just create this. Okay. Now, so let's say, for example, if you are a HR personnel, HR survey, okay, form, let's say HRD training survey form, right? Okay, just survey. Now, automatically, every time I change this, you can see that there is this recommended or AI recommended questions that is suggested to you. So instead of creating a new form right over here, you can also explore the templates. If you click explore the templates, you will come up with all the normally the templates or survey form that people are using. So if I can click here, view all, now you can see it can be explored by category. Yeah. So you want to do like attendee confirmation or whatever, market research, new product evaluation, you can do that. You see? So office facility request form, there are many forms. Yeah. So employee satisfaction survey. Let's say if I were to click this, now do you see that my employee satisfaction survey form actually is completed with all the questions. Now, of course, not all questions may be applicable to you. So what you need to do is just go in and change it, right? What's your job role, team lead, or can put it like team member, manager, director. You see, I can go in and change that. Okay. So how good is that, right? So you can see that all these questions are being suggested to you, right? So how strong do you agree, disagree with all this career opportunity? And if you don't like all these questions, just go in and change it. Yeah. If you don't like all this category, yeah, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you can just basically go in and change it, right? Delete this, change to another column, and so on. So by doing that, basically your employee satisfaction survey is done. Yeah. Now, of course, you can go in and change that as well. I don't like this. I can just put it here. I want to change the date, or I want to remove the date. Also can be done. Now, at the same time here, we see this flash, right, or lightning the icon means that this is a AI suggested. So it tells you to put in a description, you just add, and even suggest to you what are the things, the description to add. Okay, so if you can see blah, 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 all these things, right? Now, of course, you can go into the settings, and if you want anyone to basically fill up, all right, then you can just go in and click anyone. Now, if it's all internal, you can click on here, yeah, and you want to have this if end date, if I want this to be completed by when, right? So let's say here it's August 19, I can click here and I can just change it to August 19. Yeah. See what time, so by noon. Okay. So you can do that. Yeah. Now, if you want to, control it, right? And you want it to be able to send in only one survey, then you hide this. Okay. So hide, that means you cannot submit another response. It's just one response will be done. Okay. All right. So you can see that this survey has been completed. Now, if you do not want to use the template, let me go back to the form. Okay. Just refresh the form. Now, just down here, this is an empty one. Yeah. Now, if it's empty one, all you need is that you got a few choices. Okay. A choice of text, rating, date, okay, ranking, Likert. All right, record is the metrics. They just how you see, even you want to upload a file, yeah, net promoter score, and you can create sections. So, and it has actually suggested all the questions that you can ask. Now, if you want to have survey outside, it's good that you get their name. So I can add this. I can add, let's say, email address. So what else? The training survey, and okay. So I can choose the question that I want. All right. So the contents, the core objective, course material, class environment. Okay. Supposed to me, I understand how to apply what I learned. Okay. So these are all related questions. So after that, I can just add all these questions in there. You see, so same thing, you ask you add description, and you just put in there. Then if it is done, then it's done, right? So if I want to switch this question here, I can just move that. And the numbering will automatically change. Okay, so this is automatically done. And if you want to add a section, by all means, you can always click. All right. See here, add new. I want to put in a section. All right, section. I'll just put in like your info, something like that. Okay. So the section 2. So instead of the name and all these things, I want to put it in the section 2. Let me just throw it down. Let's just move it to the section 2. See this? All right. Wait. Hey, wait. So, I just want to just drag it to the section 2. All right. So the first section, then you don't have anything. Okay. And that's it. So you can preview this. So this will be a simple, okay. Then you click next, you bring you to the second section. Yeah. Now you can also automatically, it's mobile friendly. Yeah. Click it right over here. Now you can also change a lot of different style. Yeah. So like for this, it's a HRD. Maybe you want to change this. String survey. Okay. Now, automatically, all this will be suggested to you related to your topic, and you can preview it. Okay, computer, mobile will look something like this. You click Start Now, you can see all this. It's automatically done with a few clicks of button. Okay, and you want to add more like background music, by all means, you can do that as well. But usually I don't, right? Now, finally, if you want to collect response, right? So once this is done, click Collect Response. So you can collect response. If it's internally, you can send it to the people, okay? Internally, email. And you want to send it to, you can see it's through Outlook or Microsoft Teams. Now, you can also click here, right? Copy the link and send it to the people that you want them to fill it out, the survey, okay? And or you can just copy this, download the QR code. This is what usually I do after I do my training. Then I will just click on, put this on my PowerPoint slides, and everyone can use their phone to scan and complete the survey. Now, if you have this on your website as well, you can click this and copy this and put it on your website, right? So copy this code and just put it onto your website. So there are many different ways you can actually collect your survey. Now, once you collect the survey, you just need to come over here, right? But this, because this is a new one, so it's blank. We go back to my form. I can pull out the latest one of the, all right. So let's take a look at this one, right? So if I have this 22 response, yeah, so you can see all these responses, yeah, and it's done nicely on the so-called the chart for you, pie chart, and all this survey and all these things, right? So now you can even open this in Excel file, means that it's just convert into Excel for you for the details, or you can just download a copy. Yeah. And if you want to view the results, okay, individually, you can see all this, the details. Now, at the same time, you can actually print a summary into a PDF. So what you see here, you can just print into the summary, or you share a summary link that people can click and then look at the results. So how cool is that, right? So this is one way for you to build a survey, and you don't have to go and key in if you have a lot of surveys, right? Even if I look at this, it's like 22 surveys. If I need to spend time keying into Excel and compile everything, it takes time. While if I'm using this, I can actually see people keying at the real time, right? So if you have like one, you can see real time, 1% submit, 2%, 10%, and so on. So at the end, I don't need to do anything, and I got all my survey in an Excel and or in a PDF, right? So all I need is a summary of all these things without me having to compile it. All right, so I hope this will help you in your work. And if you do a lot of all these surveys, I believe you will love it. Now, you can use this form for many others. Besides surveys, you can do it for like auditing. If you have fires audit, safety audit, you have building audits, you can always use this as well. Now, if you're interested to learn more about how to use these forms, by all means, leave a comment right below. I'll create a video for you. And remember to subscribe to this channel if you like this type of content on how to improve your work productivity. And I'm Andrew. I'll see you real soon in my next video.